everyone, I'm Snow. Today I'm going to introduce a very new product for you. Look here, this is the integrated powder actuated nail. It combines the function of drive pins and the powder loads. Very good for construction, home decoration, piping assembly, wood joists, fixing, and so on. Before, people need to take the traditional nail gun, which is very heavy, and the powder loads and drive pins together. But now, people only need to take this new kind of nail gun, and it's matched integrated powder nails. Okay. For the traditional way, if we want to drive pins into the ceiling, a ladder might be required, and we also need to climb to a higher place, which may have a risk of falling down. But with this new product, we just need to stand up onto the floor and reach the ceiling, which is more convenient, efficient, and also safer. Okay, now my workmate will show you how it works. Keep your eyes on it. So, do you think the drillers, powder loads, or drive pins will be replaced by this new kind of product?